Hi, I'm Jermiah Johnson, an imagery solutions architect here at Esri. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about some of the enhancements we've been working on with SiteScan for ArcGIS, our cloud-based product that provides an end-to-end workflow for drone flight planning, data acquisition, image processing, and image information dissemination. With an iPad app to plan and execute the flights in the field, and a web application for viewing and analyzing the data processed in the cloud, SiteScan is a simple data pipeline that automates your drone operations. The first enhancement is a new flight mode, Corridor Scan. With Corridor Scan, you can define a corridor or right-of-way by simply dragging new vertices on the map. Define the corridor width, and SiteScan will automatically add new flight lines to ensure there is enough side lap to accurately map the area. Next up is Terrain Follow. We've leveraged Esri's global elevation service to provide flight altitude offsets for waypoints across the mission, including the flights to and from the takeoff location. While flying, the drone will automatically fly the designated height above ground level, climbing and descending when needed. Of course, all of this elevation data is also available to be downloaded locally to the iPad for use in the field without an internet connection. What's really revolutionary is combining these two new features to allow terrain follow corridor scans. In this example, planning an automated flight over this electric transmission line would be close to impossible to do effectively. However, with these new tools, it is as simple as the pilot defining the corridor, turning on terrain, and swiping to take off. Up until now, I've been talking about capturing still images from the sky. But what about video? A third enhancement is the automatic logging of what we call geospatial video logs. The logs include the drone's location, heading, and gimbal information stored alongside video time. These logs are created to be dropped right into Esri's video multiplexer in the image analysis toolbar to create geospatially aware videos. The result is the video playing alongside the map with the moving drone location and even field of view of the camera at that specific point of the video. Lastly, I want to tease an unreleased feature that we're excited to get in your hands later this quarter. In working with our customers, we realized that when scaling a drone program within their organizations, everyone had a different way of recording and monitoring the status of the drone hardware and the pilots that operated them. That's why we've completely redesigned fleet management within SiteScan for ArcGIS. This new redesign gives a whole new dashboard accessible to administrators with a snapshot of all drone and pilot activity for the organization. Every flight flown with SiteScan is automatically recorded here. Vehicle, camera, and even battery information is logged for every flight along with the pilot that flew the mission. Additionally, information like drone insurance, registration, and maintenance are logged complete with expiration dates and attachments. The same for pilots under the organization. Keep track of pilot currency and certification expiration right here, all in one place. And that's all the time I have today to share some of the exciting things happening within the SiteScan product. Keep an eye on our ArcGIS blog for future updates and more details of the features I've shown today. Thanks.